One of the best ways to get the most bite for your buck is with regular maintenance and using the right equipment for the job. Precision engineered and manufactured from hardened steel and carbide, Leonardi teeth are built to last and cut fast. Each tooth consists of a hardened steel base with a built-in chip deflector and is edged with a wear-resistant carbide tip to deliver maximum cutting action. The built-in chip deflector will help keep your cutting action clean and make site cleanup easier. It'll also tell you if you picked the right tooth for the job. If the environment is sand and clay, cutting action will be smooth and the chip deflector will show it. Inspecting the teeth will show little to no pits or chips. As the soil gets tougher with rocks and debris hammering the teeth, the chip deflectors will start to show more pits and chips. Leonardi makes 4 types of teeth to dial in the right cutting action for any environment. Red for sand and clay, black for standard mixed soil, Z teeth for moderate rock and more intense soil, and gold for extreme rocky conditions. Checking the teeth for hammer marks will indicate the soil conditions. If a quick check reveals the teeth are mismatched, moving one up or one down will dial in the right tooth for the job. This is a standard tooth that was beat up and destroyed from rocky conditions. It's showing repeated chipping and hammer marks. These hammer marks are telling us we should have tried a Z tooth or even a gold tooth. When the teeth are optimized for the environment, they'll wear evenly and get the most life. Every M1 wheel is 3-patterned with 3 sets of teeth. The first row has the lead teeth, which will be the teeth that strike the stump first. Lead teeth carve the channel that the inside teeth will follow, cutting with the sides as they pass through next. Lead teeth cut with the front tooth only when making a plunge cut. In order to be an effective lead tooth, all 3 sides of the carbide must be intact and in good condition. Since inside teeth follow the lead, they will only strike the stump from the sides, and will only need good cutting action from behind the chip deflector. This tooth is a perfect example of one that's still good to use on the inside but can no longer take the lead. It took a severe beating, breaking through the front carbide, but the sides are still okay, and the tooth is still protecting the holder. This tooth is a perfect example of good even wear. The edges of the carbide have worn down and rounded out. This tooth has lived a good long life and is ready to retire. This tooth sadly was taken before its time. Broken on the side behind the chip deflector, this tooth will need to be replaced in order to sweep in both directions. When teeth are wearing evenly, they'll get the most life and the longest use. Lightly worn lead teeth can be moved to any of the inner rows for continued use. Teeth that are worn out, destroyed, or severely damaged will need to be replaced. What's most important with any tooth, regardless of condition, is protecting the holder. Each tooth is designed with a small amount of overlap. When the overlap wears away, the tooth needs to be changed before it damages the holder. This tooth saw some significant impact and needs to be retired ASAP before it wears into the holder. This holder had a tooth on it that was beaten up way beyond the point of indexing. It'll need to be sent back for repairs. In order to protect the teeth as much as possible, Leonardi M1 wheels come equipped with powerful defenders. The logo wear blocks protect the wheel from excessive wear, and the patented rock guards protect the lead tooth from overextension and hazards. Rock guards are built to withstand some brutal impacts, but will wear down over time. Checking the rock guard for wear and replacing when worn or damaged will keep your teeth and wheel safe for optimal grinding. Replacing the rock guard is fast and easy for all 3 models. The wear blocks are designed to take side impacts, and the logo is cut to just the right depth to let you know when it's time to replace. The outline of the logo on the wear block is the indicator of wear. When the top of the outline begins to wear through, it's time to replace the wear block. That's all there is to it. Knowing when to